What's going on, everybody? It's Alex of Prestige Worldwide Cards, pwcards.com. We are ready to do a two-box Panini Mosaic Fast Break basketball going down on New Year's Eve, December 31st at 8:50 p.m. Central Time. We've got our two boxes here. Should be one Fast Break autograph, exclusive autograph in each box. Of course, 8 cards in a pack, and I think 12 packs. Is that right? Oh, 18 packs, sorry. 18 packs. Plenty of parallels. Obviously, the Fast Break, the big one, but it's Fast Break Mosaic instead of Fast Break Prism. So anyways, let's get it going. Let's see how we do on this one. Good luck. A lot of options here. Obviously, we're hoping for LaMelo, Anthony Edwards, Wiseman. I think those would be fine. And, of course, vets and stuff, so any of those would be good, too. So, here we go. All right, gotta get situated here. Okay. There's Lonzo Ball. Dirk Nowitzki, and a Bradley Beal Fast Break Blue. That's to 85. 17 of 85. Fast Break Blue for the Wizards. Wizards are Matthias D. Compazzo rookie, CJ Ellaby, and a Tyrese Halliburton Fast Break, not bad, going out to the Sacramento Kings. Devin S., there you go, Fast Break Halliburton, not too shabby. Ooh, there's our autograph, and it is a Peyton Pritchard. Sorry, it was the first thing on there, so might as well go ahead and do it. Peyton Pritchard Fast Break Auto rookie going out to Boston. Ryan C. And that is not numbered. The other cards in the pack, some veteran base. There's a Pukazevsky, and that's it. Jayshawn Tate, NBA debut. Denny Avdija, Jason Kidd, and a Steph Curry Stairmasters. Aaron Nesmith for Boston, and a Tyus Jones Fast Break Parallel from Memphis. Billy K is Memphis. Jalen Smith rookie. LaMelo Ball National Pride, that's nice. And then a Duncan Robinson Miami Heat. And that LaMelo. Upload that for you, of course. Charlotte, got a LaMelo. Not the one you want, but something, right? James Wiseman, NBA debut. Theo Maledon, and a LaMelo Introductions. There's another one. There you go. Introductions, and a James Wiseman NBA debut. Kind of like how the NBA debut is a little bit more subtle on this one. Previously, they had at least on the football, they had the debut right at the top. You could just doesn't look as good, but at least on those, it's a little more subtle, you know. Little things like that, subtlety. Rookie of Isaac Okoro, Killian Hayes, and then a Gary Trent Jr. for Toronto. Bradley Beal, Chris Paul. Xavier Tillman, Mitchell Robinson. Your picks. There's Miles Bridges. Cole Anthony, Damian Lillard, Jaren Jackson, Memphis, fast break. Anthony Edwards, NBA debut, Manuel Quickley, and a Malik Beasley pink for the Minnesota Timberwolves. 8 of 20. Minnesota, nice hit. Keith H. There you go. Not the guy you want, but, you know, still a nice pink parallel. But there's the guy you want. NBA debut, Anthony Edwards. So there you go. Nice Minnesota Timberwolves pack right there. LeBron James, Kyle Anderson, LeBron James again, Tyrese Maxey, Hakeem Olajuwon, and a Dirk Nowitzki Finals MVP fast break parallel. I can't imagine doing a whole break of this, like a whole case of this. There's so many cards. So many packs. Killian Hayes, Jalen Smith, and a Domantas Sabonis. Pacers. Vernon Carey Jr. for the Hornets. Chris Paul. And another Chris Paul. This is a Men of Mastery. kind of a silly name. Oh, I guess it's supposed to be. It's playing on Men of Mystery. Okay, got it. It's like, what are they mastering exactly? All right, LaMelo Ball. There you go. There's a nice one. Okay, let's see what else got here. Devin Vassell and a Jayshawn Tate fast break. There's a LaMelo there. LaMelo base for Charlotte. Now, if we can get a parallel, that would be nice, right? Who had Charlotte? William B. William B. A Kongwu, Mason Jones, and a montage of Jaylen Brown. Malachi Flynn and a Kristaps purple going out to Dallas. 6 of 50. Who had Dallas? Winyoung C. Last pack of box 1. Then we move to box 2. Aaron Nesmith, Zeke Naji, Magic Johnson, and a silver of DeAndre Ayton. Mosaic silver, DeAndre Ayton Phoenix. Matthias D. There you go. All right, that does it for box 1. Let's move to box 2. Killian Hayes, NBA debut. Cole Anthony, rookie. And a Drew Holiday going out to the Milwaukee Bucks. Evan G, 16 of 50. James Wiseman. Here's an Anthony Edwards. And a Zion Williamson montage. Fast break parallel version. There you go. New Orleans. Who had New Orleans? Eric L. There you go, Eric L. You wanted a Zion. There you go. Not a big one, but still something. You know. And then we have a LaMelo, and now we have at least one Anthony Edwards base. So that's good. Now we can get a parallel out of the way. Let's do that. Hey, look at that. Two LaMelos and a Joel Embiid Stairmasters. Nice. 2 LaMelo base. That's right. Heating up. Heating up. Bogdan, Barton, Jeremy Grant, Devin Vassell, a Kongwu, and a Kyrie Irving fast break. A Kongwu, Devin Vassell NBA debut, and a Cole Anthony introductions. Mason Jones, Anthony Davis National Pride, and a Troy Brown Jr. Fast break parallel going out to Chicago. Justin N. Zach LaVine. Paul Reed, Jason Tatum, Drew Holiday, Milwaukee, Evan G. Ooh, we got a gold or something. Sam Merrill, Obi Toppin, Danny Green, gold. Number 9 of 10 for Philadelphia. How about that? That thing has some serious warpage. I don't know if you can tell, but dang, that thing is bending. That thing was bent hard coming out of the pack. Look at that. Danny Green, though, nice. Going out to Philly. And that is Keith H. I'm not sure, Devin, where would it have been? Would it have been the last card in the pack? I'm really not sure the variation. I have no idea. Would it have been the hit of the pack, or would it have been somewhere else hidden? Because if it's somewhere else, I don't have any idea. All the big ones I'm putting in top loaders and everything. Jerry West, fast break. Oops. Oh, okay. Andrew says it was the Halliburton. I'll go dig it out here in a second. Isaiah Joe. Oh, okay. Philadelphia is Keith H. Yeah, this was it. Yeah. Variation, I guess. Good catch, Andrew. Thanks for that. Appreciate it. So that was it, I guess. Have we pulled the one in box 2 then? Or are they only in... Pokusevski and a montage of Bam Adebayo. Yeah, no problem. Kevin Durant, Kobe White. Yeah, I just checked that one. I don't see it there. I'll check it here in a second. There's a blue Hamidou Diallo for Detroit. And that is 5 of 85 on the blue. Detroit is Shanice T. Shanice T. Still haven't got the auto out of this either. Cole Anthony, Obi Toppin, Steph Curry, Men of Mastery. Tyrese Halliburton, NBA debut there. Isaiah Joe, Jerry West. The silver of AI. Phillies had a pretty good break. They got several nice cards. Keith H. Precious Achua, Tyrese Maxey, and a Kongwu. Yeah, there you go. There's the variation for this box. Going to the Hawks. A Kongwu. Atlanta is Kyle B. Variation. Thanks for pointing that out. That's helpful. Would have never, ever seen that V. So one of these packs has an auto in it. And I don't think it's this one. I think it's going to be the last pack of the break. Hopefully it's in there. Peyton Pritchard, Steph Curry, and a Larry Nance. Larry Nance Jr. going out to Cleveland. All right, who's it going to be? It is in there. I didn't look and see who it is yet. Desmond Bain and Peyton Pritchard. It is a Tyler Bay. Tyler Bay rookie auto going out to the Dallas Mavericks. Win-Young C. That is going to do it for the break. Pretty good stuff. We got a couple of Mellows. Got at least 1 or 2 Ant-Mans in there. And some good parallels as well, including a gold. So some good variation. So thanks again for getting on that break. We'll get everything packed up and shipped out to you very soon. Thanks again. See you next time.